Hi, it's Darnell with Wave Oven Recipes. Today, I'm going to cook up a frozen pizza in the Philips Air Fryer XXL, the Avance line. We're going to see how it does with a frozen pizza. From my testing, this is going to be kind of impressive. So let's get started now. Okay, so here's our pizza for the day. It's a DiGiorno cheese stuffed crust 3-meat pizza. And it's one of the smaller ones because that's all you can fit into this air fryer. But to basically get started, we turn it on. Now that the Philips air fryer is on, we go to temperature, go up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's on the frozen food setting. I'm going to preheat it to the 400 degrees before I put the pizza in there. So just gonna hit the button to start. Once it's done preheating, I'll bring you back, we'll get the pizza right in. Alright, so the preheat just ended, and so I was just getting the pizza out of the pack here. I'm just going to hit pause, get our pizza inside. I was just looking under bottom, making sure there was no cardboard or anything under there. Whoops, whoa, that didn't go too well. Dropped my pizza and all its toppings right in there. Man, the things that happen, but oh well. We got some. We'll just go with that. Close it up. 7 minutes. Just 7. Hit the start. Bring you back in about 7 minutes. Alright, we're coming down into the final seconds of just a 7-minute cook of the pizza. And I'm just going to use this meat probe it's an instant read thermometer, just to read the temperature of the pizza when I get in there. But it's pretty interesting doing a pizza in this air fryer. And we got 2 seconds, 1 second, time's up. Look at that pizza, look at that. Let me check temperature real quick. You see our instant read thermometer is up over 165. Everything's really well cooked in that pizza. And that's in just 7 minutes. I'm impressed by that. Now I'm going to get the pizza out. Even though it lost a few of its toppings, it's still good to go. Look at that. Let's get the camera adjusted and do some taste testing. Alright, here's our hot pizza, straight from the Philips Air Fryer XXL in just 7 minutes. Didn't need a preheat. You know, make sure to get that crust. Hear that crust? Make sure to get that crust nice and hard in just 7 minutes. So let's taste. Alright, that's a winner. You know, it's very fast. It is 7 minutes, it's quick, but it is a preheat. So, you know, like comparing it to something like the Power Air Fryer Oven Elite where no preheat, but you do about 12 minutes. You know, I guess it's kind of 6 in one hand, half a dozen in the other. But this, by doing the preheat, and I guess you could do a preheat in the Power Air Fryer Oven Elite as well, getting that bottom nice and hot, you know, helps to get that crust nice and hot. So either way you want to roll, you can roll, but this basically keeps up on par with other air fryers, does a real nice job. And so I like it, and I hope you like it too. And you can find this, other heating instructions and recipes at superwaveovenrecipes.com. You can find, if you want to come directly to this YouTube channel, the videos by going to waveovenrecipes.com. Also Twitter and Instagram, Wave Oven Recipes. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, share the video with a friend, subscribe to the channel, and good eating.